Hello, welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. There's a crew of individuals here at the Villa Marbella neighborhood. And they are in charge of placing the pine straw and updating the pine straw between these plants. And that's another thing that your maintenance assessment fees cover, is the pine straw. And they replace that pine straw periodically. I think maybe twice a year, once a year. You can see the pine straw deteriorates over time. And once or twice a year, they go around and they replace it, they update it, make it look pretty again. That's another cost that people forget about. Hello and welcome. My name is Tim. For those new to the channel, this is your Villa Marbella update. Today is Tuesday. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. What are you waiting for? We have 2 more homes in this neighborhood waiting for you. And this is your update today. Today is Tuesday. The update is there are 2 homes still available for sale, but they're not listed quite yet. And the Villages, I just spoke to a sales representative, and that individual did not know when these homes will go on the market. This is the first home that will be listed soon, maybe even tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow is Wednesday. This is address is 1232 Cadiz Terrace. This is a Charlotte model 2-car garage, tilt wall constructed home. And this home sits on an extra deep lot. And maybe I can show you what the deep lot looks like in this Charlotte model home. You can see it has a beautiful glass entry door. It has composite plank flooring in the hallway, and the bedroom has carpeting. And the sales agent indicated to me that this home has an extra deep lot, and I will show you what that looks like. And the back of this home does face another home, and beyond that home is Morse Boulevard. And the sales agent indicates to me that that extra deep lot has a premium price. There's a $19,000 adder for the extra deep lot for that home. So if this home comes on the market tomorrow or some day this week, and it's priced a little bit higher than some of these other Charlotte models, it's because of the $19,000 premium for the extra deep lot. Here's the other home that has not yet been listed for sale. Will be listed soon, maybe tomorrow. The address is 1231 Cadiz Terrace. It is also a Charlotte model 2-car garage, tilt wall construction. The tilt walls are precast concrete walls made in a factory, shipped to the job site, and lifted into place using a crane. They do not build cinder block homes anymore here in the Villages. And the back of this home does face a championship golf course, the Hacienda Hills Championship Golf Course. Let's go in and take a look at what this Charlotte model, this is a Charlotte model. And let's see what this home has to offer. There it is. This has a white entry door with glass. This one has composite plank floor in both the hallway and the bedroom. So there's a little difference right there. And because this home sits on the golf course, a golf course view, the sales agent did indicate to me that this home The lot has a premium of $119,000. And that's kind of how the Villages operates, is depending on the location in the lot that your home sits on and the dimensions of that lot, they add a premium. So they have a base cost for a lot, and then depending on the location and the size of the lot, they add premiums. And that's one thing I wanted to inform my subscribers about in this neighborhood. And that's kind of how their pricing strategy works. Just to give you a brief update, the Villages, Florida is a 55 plus community located in Central Florida. And these are unique homes because they are new homes constructed in the northern part of the Villages, which is a rare find. Most of the homes in the Villages in the northern part are pre-owned. They are homes that were built in the 2000s, and the developer demolished the Hacienda Hills Golf and Country Club that was located on this site and built 24 new courtyard villas. And there has been high demand for these courtyard villas. And that is a dead-end street. At the end of the dead-end street is the Hacienda Hills Golf Club, which is a scaled-down version. That is just a golf club and a retail shop. It's like a starter shack and retail shop. You cannot buy food in there, because the former country club, you could purchase food. It was a country club. This is the other home. When I looked at the map this morning on the Villages website, 1204 Cadiz Terrace, that home does not show as pending, and it does not show as sold. I'm trying to figure out why that is. I asked the sales agent this morning about this home, and he was not sure what that is. He thought maybe that the home was listed and might be pending, but the computer systems have not yet been updated. They're doing some work on this home. What is this? Kohler. Not sure what that is. Looks like a garbage can. Somebody bought a garbage can for that home. Looks like they are doing some contracting or drywall work in that home. So the sales agent did indicate that he would let me know what the sales prices on these homes are later today. And once I know that, I will do another update video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this neighborhood. If you would be interested in living here. And I did check. The main entrance of this neighborhood is off Morse Boulevard. Right there is the main entrance. And the developer still does not have the sign on the main entrance. I would expect someday soon they would have this neighborhood identified as the Villa Marbella, and they would put letters on the entrance sign. Thank you for liking and subscribing. You can also share my videos with your friends. I would appreciate that. This is Morse Boulevard. And across the way is the Hacienda Hills Championship Golf Course. And you can see they removed the letters of the Hacienda Hills Country Club, and they are waiting to install the Villa Marbella letters. There you have it, friends. That's your Tuesday update from the Villa Marbella. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. What are you waiting for? You've got at least 2 more of these courtyard villas waiting for you to purchase them. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.